Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So let's say you open Waze, but the map looks old. Roads that have been closed for months are still open, and new streets are totally missing. Waze isn't updating at all, and you are stuck with outdated navigation. So the good news is that map updates happen on a schedule, and you can also force an update through the app itself. So in today's small tutorial, we want to go through how to actually fix Waze Not Updating. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, we have to wait for the map update cycle. It is made in the Waze map editor before none usually appear in the app overnight. If a road was recently edited, it may take up to 24 hours to show up on your device. If you still don't see the change, you may need to drive near the corrected area to force the local map tiles to refresh. You can also use the map refresh option, or even go and look for an update of the app itself. If the map isn't updating, the problem might be in the app version. Open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and check for Waze Update. Install any available updates, then go ahead and try to clear the cache. Corrupted cache data can block updates on Android. You can easily go through settings, apps, Waze, and storage, then tap clear cache. On iPhone, you can install and reinstall the app. And that's here the main idea. Otherwise, basically, just go to the support and make sure you report this problem. And that's it for today. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.